Hey, do you want to go right to center? Yeah, let's go center.
Told you.
Window?
No, not window, no.
Oh, I see him, I see him. Hallway, hallway. Hallway straight ahead. Hallway. Hallway straight ahead.
Hallway, hallway.
How's the hallway?
Clear.
You guys ready? Watch the doorway, watch the doorway.
Come on, come on. You're over that.
Safety. Come out, come out, come out, come out.
Where's he at?
Right there. Yeah, Walter, go pop back out there.
Hey, hey, hey.
Watch out, watch out. Watch your head. Yeah. Not right there.
What? Yeah, I'm here.
Hey, window, there's one in the window. Whoa!
Hey, hey, index, index.
Hey, game over, guys.
Game over! Oh my God. Hey, we did pretty good, man. I even jumped in at the net.
Very vigorous manner. Very rigorous. Good game, good
Hey, good job. There you go. I think you're on my. No, you weren't.
No,
Good job.
I'm not.
Hey, good job there. Levi, good job. Hate you. Still.
Did I get you?
I think everybody got everybody at some point.
I only got hit once.
I didn't get shot, but at the same time, I didn't get any action.
It's just.
What?
It's hard because once you get right here, you're all here.
Well, our respawn's right over there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're all like right here.
Yeah. Let's go, Levi.
But you guys stayed well prepared, didn't you?
Yeah.
I did.
I'll tell you right now, though, Mitch, if we left that intel where we first put it, we'd have lost in the first 30 minutes.
Did you see where our intel was?
No, I never got close enough. The closest I ever got.
Did you see where it is now?
No, I haven't been there.
Good.